Hey there everyone, back again with another video. And in this video we are gonna see a question again from Geeks for Geeks, that is to check whether a linked list is circular or not. Okay, and you can see that the expected time complexity is order of n, and order of n is not a much big thing in linked list, because we have seen that from the starting question that we are solving in linked list, most of them are solved in order of n. Okay, so let's see what is a circular linked list. Okay, let's say that this is a node, this is second node, this is third node, fourth node. Okay, and they are pointing to one another, at one another. Okay. In our simple linked list, we know that the last element points to null. But in a linked list, in a circular linked list, what will happen is that the last node will point to the first node. Okay, so you have to do this. So it means that if there is a linked list that is circular, you will not be able to find any of the null. Okay, there will be no null. Okay. So how will we solve this question? So the most easiest way to solve this question is that you can keep track of this head. You can say that this is a head. Okay, you will be given this head. Okay, and you can take a pointer at the second element, okay, or the second node. Okay, and try to move till the end. Okay, the point you reach at the end, you find that last node dot next is null. It means that it is not a circular linked list. Okay, so let me show you by typing the pseudocode. Let's say that last node dot next is double equal to null. Okay, if it is last, then it is not a circular linked list. Circular linked list. Okay, but if we are not able to find it, it means we have a loop, or we are a linked list, because if we are not able to find this null, it might be possible that you have a loop inside of this. Because let's say that this is the case, you are starting from this point, then coming to this, then coming to this, then coming, and this points back to the second element. This is not a circular element, because circular linked list, because the last node is not pointing to the first node. So it means that we have to check that if my last node points to first node or not. If it is pointing at the first node, then only we have to say that it is circular linked list. So what we will do after this, we will find that it is not a linked list, so we will just break out. Yeah, and if what we say, if last node dot next is double equal to head, or the starting node, if this is the case, then yes, it is circular linked list. Okay, this is the case. Okay, so let's start coding this. Okay, I know that this is the easiest thing that we have done. So what we will do, firstly we will create a node. Oh, and this will be second SCNT node. I will say it as second node, and what we will do that we will just say that it will be head dot next. So it is saying that you are pointing at the second node. Okay. And now what we will do, we will iterate the whole linked list. Okay, I am gonna iterate a whole list. What we will check, we will just check if second node, okay, is not equal to null. If it is not equal to null, it means that either we have a loop or we are in a circular linked list. Or after that, we can also say that and second node is not equal to head. These are the both cases in which we will iterate inside the linked list. If this is the case, what we will say that second node will move forward. Second node is equal to second node dot next. Okay. So it means that what we have done, it means that if we are in a linked list, or if we are in a circular linked list, or if we are in a not a circular linked list, we will break the iteration. Okay, then after this, what we will do, we will just check if the last node that we are pointing at is, or if this is head or not. It means that after this iteration, my second node will either be at my last node, second node will either be at this point, or at this point after the iteration. Okay, so what I will do, I will just check second node double equal to head, and this is a way in which you can directly return this. Okay, if second node is double equal to head, it means that we are in a circular linked list. If that is not the case, then it means that we are having a loop. Okay, we are having a loop inside our linked list. Okay. But there will be a boundary case. What will be the boundary case? If head is null. Okay, you can add that if head is null, then we will return true, because a single node is always a linked list, say a circular linked list. Okay, so we'll say that return true. Okay, so let's submit it and check whether it is giving us the answer or not. I hope there is no error. Okay, yes, so we are getting answer as 1 is the true. Okay, let's just submit it. Okay, so you can see that our answer is correct, and we have executed in 0.28, I think, millisecond or second, I don't know, but we have solved this, and I know that the whole algorithm is getting solved in order of n, and that is satisfying our requirement. Okay, so yeah, that's all for today. Thank you, have a nice day.